Hulk smash.
Wow, that was pretty funny to do. I didn't expect my voice to come out like that, but it did. So aside from Hulk smashing everything, thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me. My name's Kenny, and this is the Customizer Depot Studios. And what I've done today was I created a sneaker lace patch for you. This particular version is the Hulk hand sneaker lace patch. And I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to lace them into your sneakers. But before that, I just wanted to really get into why I made these. Sneaker customization can be very, very expensive, and it can take months to get to you. These sneaker lace patches I made so that way they can get to you in under a week, as well as they're really fun to wear. You know, you just have to relace them into your shoes. Basically unlace the shoelaces on your sneaker until the desired height that you would like to put the sneaker lace patch on. Then you're going to relace it by lacing the sneaker lace patch as well as the holes of the sneakers. And again, the reason why we made these is because, you know, the rising cost of customizing sneakers, it just takes forever to make, and everything else. I wanted to make something that was very, very inexpensive, so that way everybody can have them. You can give these as gifts for the holidays, for birthdays, and for any special occasion, in all honesty. And it's just something fun that you can have. I have a couple of videos coming out with a couple of different sneaker lace patches, so definitely please stay tuned for that. These are really fun to wear, honestly. You get a lot of looks when you wear these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, as well as comment, cop, or drop in the comment section below, just so that I know that you guys are watching, and let us know what kind of sneaker lace patch you want for your shoes. And that way, hopefully in the future, I can accommodate something for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for coming in and hanging out. Kenny, Customizer Depot, and keep crafting, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon.